All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Temperatures today very comfortable across northwest Minnesota, upper 70s, low 80s there. A lot of 80s and cooler weather in the Red River Valley. The hottest stuff out toward the Jamestown area and Bismarck, where it's near 90 and thunderstorms are firing along a boundary there. Now it's hot and there is a little bit of humidity, but because of the heat, these storms pulsing up very quickly. You can see the clouds towering into the upper atmosphere. Here's the thunderstorm center as it's tailing off into now the Hazelton area and points north, moving south and east at about 25 miles per hour. This one delivered hail upwards of 2¼ inches or tennis ball size in the Bismarck area and is moving to the south and east. That warned storm continues to show potential for 1-inch diameter hail as it works its way through. Now just passing over New Salem, Sioux here, another storm capable of very large hail, close to 2 inches in diameter as it treks generally towards the Mandan area and points south. Now those storms are a long ways away from us. We have a chance of some storms, but it's going to be much later. So right now, get out and enjoy. We have temperatures in the 80s for most areas. Low 80s east, upper 80s west. In Jamestown, you're the hot spot at 88. Current conditions out at Hector. A few clouds visible off to the west here from our station studio camera. We can certainly see the high clouds blowing off the top of those thunderstorms way out to the west. 82 at Moorheads Airport as well as Hector. West wind 10 miles per hour. Dew points are in the very comfortable 50s, so it's a lot less sticky than we've had the last several days. Hour by hour forecast shows thunderstorms out to the west will be drifting in our general direction. When will they get here? Well, if they do persist, the chances are they will not get here until after around the 7 o'clock hour in our western counties first. Then they'll be drifting eastward into the Red River Valley, say between 9 and 11. After 11, they're out of here. Is there a risk of severe weather? A very small chance on our side of the state with the slightly cooler and drier air here. However, we'll keep our eyes on it. If there's going to be a risk, hail and some gusty winds will be the main threat. Overnight, quiet, clearing skies. Temperatures near 60 for most to start your Friday morning. And we close the work week off with some pleasant weather, but it will warm up. Already by lunchtime, we'll have temperatures close to what we have right now, and we'll be hitting those 80s to near 90 for most of eastern North Dakota. A hot one out there with a little bit more humidity in place as well. Low to mid 80s for most of northwest Minnesota. I cannot rule out a shower or thunderstorm or two along the international border as we go through your Friday night. We'll keep you posted on that. If we get storms with that kind of heat, we could have some hailers in this area as well. 63 out the door in the morning, ramping up quickly. We spend most of the afternoon hours from 2 all the way till sundown well in the 80s and kissing 90 degrees. Wind west light. Generally, temperatures near 90 for most of our western counties. A spotty late thunderstorm, mainly in the far north, the way it looks to me. And temperatures tomorrow in the mid 80s across your Minnesota counties. Check out this. Sierra Schnellbach sharing the downpour out near the Sisseton area. Here's the updraft part of the storm, too. A very cool picture of an approaching storm. Here's a look at your forecast. A hot one on Friday. We cool off Saturday. Yes, there'll be hit and miss showers around the area, but it won't rain everywhere all day. Cooler still on Sunday. A refreshing 77-degree day in Fargo. Back to summer early next week.
Speaking of summer and Schnellbach, any relation, that photo
there
sent in?
Just might be, yes.
Might be?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I think I know that person.
Okay. Check